It's your boy X, yeah, Daydream AX, and today what we're doing, we're going outlet shopping. It's been a while since I brought you that to the channel, so go to Nike, Vans, Adidas, all that good stuff to see what they have. It's been a while, and I want to see if they have some deals. We have it first on the channel. First unboxing. What could it be? What could it be? This is all the way from Atlanta. Shout out your boy Mike Rich. I saw a video he did on YouTube. So shout out to my cousin for that, and Mike Rich for showing me there was that pair. I wanted that pair. It didn't come out in Canada. So when I saw the video, I was like, yo, let me ask my cousin if he can grab these for me. And let's get to it to see what the shoe is. First unboxing of the channel. If you want to see more unboxing, let me know, because I have more stuff coming. There's a card. Hope these bring you much joy for my auntie. Shout out to my auntie. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Okay. We have the shoe. It's a Nike. Retail is $160 US, and I got this for $115 US. So big shout out to my cousin for that. Yeah, like I said, these didn't come out in Montreal. In Canada, get them shipped all the way from Atlanta. Air Money things in the green colorway. These are hella dope. Dollar sign in the back with the US flag in the back. Yo, these, I want it so bad. And the thing is, nobody has them in Montreal. So, an extra point for that. And it comes with an extra straps, like regular straps. Wow, I can't wait to wear them. On the retail, you can't go wrong. But now it's time for the outlets. So let me get changed, and we're going straight to the outlets. Let's go. Currently at the outlet. About to hit up Nike, Levi's, Van, whatever. On feet today. Yeah, these. Not bad. They want $139 plus 30% off. Not bad. Still have these. $169 plus 30%. Full size one. They have nothing. They have nothing at Nike, and there was a lot of people. to come on a Friday, guys, when it's sunny outside. Didn't find any shoes, but now I'm gonna head to the mall, Foot Locker. I need to see if they have the shoes I want. So damn hot today. I'll be right back. Ooh, baby, you look so clean.